Hello friends, another technical video about smart TV LG. We will just review this product LG 49-inch smart TV. Power on. And this is LG smart TV 49-inch. We will just do the review. This is the magic remote. So you have to press home button. This is the mouse magic with the remote. All the apps. We will try one by one. First of all, Shahid. It depends on your internet. We are first connected Wi-Fi. No connect to the internet. Please check your connection. Okay. Let's connect settings. It was connected before, but let's see. I will also tell you how you can check the TV before buy used TV. It is good or bad, it's repaired or not, should buy or not. Please stay with me till the end. I will give you tips about my knowledge and experience of 17 years. So here we go, networks, Wi-Fi, connected to the internet. It's already connected because it takes 5 minutes. When it's power on, it's connected to the Wi-Fi. And make sure guys, every LG TV you buy, first check Wi-Fi is working or no, because mostly LG TV has problem, Wi-Fi is not working. We go back. See, this is Shahid app. It's working now. It's take time because of the internet speed. It's Wi-Fi connected. Only power cable is connected. There is no any LAN cable. So video will go longer. So be patient to review all the apps. While you can enjoy the Islamic music playing background. TV is taking longer than usual, depend on the internet. I cannot stop the video because then I need to join. This is Shahid app. This is only because of the internet. YouTube will play quickly, but it's Shahid app is, see, error code. Don't worry. To try again in 5 seconds. See, Shahid app is working now. Now beauty of the TV. Let me take a picture of this TV with another mobile. So you can forward it if you want. Oh, beautiful TV. I think one episode free for you. Let's play. Watch now, Shahid. Watch now, one episode free for you. Okay. Switch off the background music. So you can see how the beauty of TV, and remote is also. You can see the remote, brand new. Shahid app. LG 49-inch picture quality, video quality, you will enjoy. Shahid app. Volume up. See the sounds, home cinema experience. So we will just exit and go back. We will try now next. This is LG Play Store. Here you can download more apps. This is very beautiful smart TV for the family. See YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Shahid, WebOS. These all already installed, and you can also download more apps. So we will open YouTube. If you're feeling anything slow, it's only because of the internet slow. So it's loading through the Wi-Fi internet. This is YouTube, and let's play anything. Let's play this Sicily, Italy. Let's play any video. Again, it's loading.
Don't worry, all you need is
See the quality and the speed is because of the Wi-Fi slow. Let me switch off my another Wi-Fi devices so that it will be fast. So
just one full cap with your detergent will give your towels long-lasting freshness. Fresh. You see, downy.
So sorry for the internet slow, but whenever you buy the TV, just check any body damage, any scratch on the panel, because that is not repairable. Any dot line on the panel is not repairable. Color should be good, sound should be good. So the ads, sorry for the inconvenience because of the ad. See the result, it is still. Check the quality. Let's try another app, Netflix. We will try Netflix apps. Sorry, Netflix. And this is Netflix. You need to buy subscription, it's working. My dear, whenever you buy TV, just check YouTube, Netflix, all are working, because old software in the TVs and some model of TVs, brand of TV not supporting the latest ones. It depends the value of the TV. If you buy any TV, the price you are paying, you should test. You will get last thing, go to YouTube and check if the backlight is good or bad. How you can check YouTube? Exit. Okay, you have to search. Sorry for the slow. You have to press search and then widescreen. Here you go. Click on widescreen. If you can see the white is white, then TV is good. If you see the white color is sky blue or not white, please don't buy the TV. TV is faulty. TV has backlight issue. See, it's white. Okay guys, thank you very much for stay with me, and follow my channel and like it for further videos. Thank you very much. We will switch off the TV.